Assessment 4.33 asks us to consider a base whose conjugate acid has a high pKa value and use that to make a determination about the stability of the base. So we're looking at this as our base, this is our conjugate acid, and we're saying that the conjugate acid has a high pKa. How do we know whether the base is stable or not? Well, let's think about it. If the conjugate acid of the base has a high pKa, that implies that it is a weak acid. And so if we think about BH becoming B minus, if BH is a weak acid, it doesn't want to become B minus. Put another way, it's unfavorable for BH to become B minus. Put still another way, it's uphill for BH to become B minus. What does that mean? If it's uphill for BH to become B minus, it must mean that B minus is a high energy molecule or a high energy species. Therefore, it is unstable. So a base whose conjugate acid has a high pKa must be unstable.